Start.
This is our Lifebuoy. On board we have 17. The main purpose of the Lifebuoy is to provide buoyancy to the people who have fallen overboard. As per SOLAS requirement, our vessel being greater than 200 meters, we are required to carry 14 on board. However, we have 17. We have 2 on each side of the bridge wing connected to a MOB marker. On deck we have 9 connected to the self-igniting light. Out of those, 3 are also connected to a buoyant line, and the remaining are only connected to the self-igniting line. We also have 6 more in addition to that are only connected to the buoyant line. SOLAS requirement for Lifebuoy. The Lifebuoy outer diameter should not be more than 800 mm. The inner diameter should not be less than 400 mm. Your Lifebuoy should be constructed of an inherently buoyant material. It should resist fire for at least 2 seconds. It should be attached to a grab line. The diameter of this grab line should not be less than 9.5 mm. Length of this grab line should not be less than 4 times of the outer diameter of the Lifebuoy. It should be attached to the Lifebuoy at 4 equidistant points so as to form 4 equal loops. The drop test of this Lifebuoy is that it should resist a fall from a height at which it is stored above the water level in the lightest going condition of the ship, or 30 meters, whichever is greater. It should be able to float 14.5 kgs of iron in fresh water for a period of 24 hours. Weight. The weight of your Lifebuoy should be not less than 2.5 kgs, and if this Lifebuoy is to be attached to an MOB marker, it should be not less than 4 kgs.